Okie dokie, are you ready?
Yes.
I've got a special gift for you.
Okay. What is it?
You'd never believe what it says. You'd never believe it. Here you go. Merry Christmas.
I wonder what it is.
It's not from me. It's from Santa.
And it's funny because I know what this is because I got a delivery notice on my email. But anyway, let's get this opened.
Act surprised.
I'll act surprised. This is actually a very exciting moment. I knew this was coming. I kind of knew it was getting wrapped up as well, but I have not opened this box. So here we go, you're gonna do this with me, folks. So yeah, YouTube branded box, free delivery as well. They just send you this, by the way.
From US.
From US.
Expensive postage.
Nice packaging. There's a letter, there's a letter.
Ooh.
Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th or even your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Easy for me to say. I'll put a wee picture of this in so you can read it yourself.
Oh, nice.
Card, congratulations on your subscriber milestone, blah blah blah. Ta-da!
Awesome! Well
How cool is that?
done.
How cool is that?
It is really cool. And it's silver.
It's actually a lot nicer than I thought it would be for some reason. And it's heavy. Oh man, this is so cool. I think I'm going to take this everywhere with me. It's quite heavy, isn't it?
It is. Big moment.
Oh man.
Ooh.
That is beautiful. And it's all thanks to you. All thanks to every single one of you.
Oh, thank you.
And you behind the camera. I can't quite believe it.
Oh, well done.
Well done to you as well.
Good job. Good job.
That's incredible. Thank you so much, guys. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas.